Hello everyone! Hello and welcome! Today we're discovering a brand new app that can rate all of your food products and beauty products and tell you if they are good or not. Hi, my name is Sue Ann Hickey. I'm a certified naturopath and creator of Bodytypology, System for Lasting Weight Loss. So what is this brand new app? It is so much fun. I just discovered it this weekend. It's called YUKA, Y-U-K-A. And you can download it for free. There's a free version. You can download it on your phone and you can start scanning everything in your fridge and pantry and find out how they rate. Now they rate them on many different things, like how many additives and preservatives they have, the fat content, and especially chemicals, right? We are overloaded with chemicals, which is not good for our health. So let's get started and I will show you how it works. The first thing I want to rate is this Nature's Path cereal, Kamut Corazon Wheat Flakes. So I recommend this cereal to a lot of my clients. I find it's really great because it's made with kamut. Kamut is an ancient grain that's really high in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein. So we just open the app and turn on the scanner and hold it up to the barcode, and there you go. So Kamut cereal gets an 88 on 100. Hard to see. Okay, so 88 on 100. That's amazing. Big check mark because no additives or preservatives. It is also organic, so another big check mark. Pretty high in protein, good in fiber, no saturated fat, very low in sugar, and low in salt. So overall, a great score for our cereal. So let's move on to the next one. I have these Breton crackers, right? So they say without gluten, that's the French side. I am in Montreal, so gluten-free, and that should be good, right? It says herb and garlic, and this has got the made better, made by Dare, made better, because there's no artificial or colors or flavors. And how does this do? Let's check it out. Find the barcode. All right. It has a 34 on 100, so not so great, right? And to be noted, I did not bring this into the house. My boyfriend did. So this has, yes, saturated fat, and it's okay on fiber. There's some sugar in it. There's some sodium. But let's try my favorite cracker, Ryvita. These should be healthier, so let's see what they rate as. All right. Okay, all right, so it gets a 90 on 100, so that's much better. Ryvita does not have the saturated fat, does not have the oils, and no additives or preservatives, so a much better choice. So I encourage you to go through your fridge, your pantry, go through all the items that you have, and especially when you're grocery shopping, right? And just in a flash, you can find out if these products are good for you or not. And if you're struggling, like, okay, now half my pantry is not good for me, what do I do? Well, let's jump on a discovery call because I can show you exactly how you can change ordinary kinds of foods and replace them with super healthy alternatives to make sure that you optimize your health and drop the pounds if you want to. So the link will be either above or below to jump on a free discovery call. Depending on which platform you're watching this in, you'll find it close by. And let's jump on a 20-minute call. I'd be happy to talk to you about how I can help you optimize your health and drop the pounds you want to. So have a great day and thanks for watching.